Hey yous! Get ready to witness some of the most unique PC cases that will blow your mind. Some look like a futuristic Christmas tree and others are more of a pyramid shape. But there's more. This PC case looks absolutely hilarious. It's shaped after a giant sneaker shoe where the modder had placed all his PC components. The whole thing is constructed from aluminum extrusions and 3D prints, and this was all done to an incredible standard. The finished result is absolutely astounding. No wonder why it has won the Best Art Direction Award in Case Mod World Series 2020. Wish we could have one of these in our hands. At first glance, this futuristic thing looks like a butterfly that can spread its wings. But it's a PC case packed with intelligent features like multiple virtual assistants and a built-in projector to take visualization to the next level. It also has a voice assistant named after Iron Man's Jarvis, which you can use to start a cool light show. In addition, the entire chassis is shrouded inside a total of 80 ABS scales, and each of these scales is equipped with ARGB lighting to amaze you. Artsy gamers looking for something truly unique can never go wrong with this PC case that looks like a mini pyramid. It features 4 tempered glass side panels to show off the technological artwork housed within. You can easily accommodate a mini ITX motherboard, 280mm long video card, SFX power supply, and 120mm radiator. Overall, this unique PC case will grab anyone's attention by giving your gaming room a much needed injection of cool. The next PC case is a helicopter-shaped full tower chassis constructed from solid steel. The 2 tempered glass on both sides ensure each of your hardware is visible in full glory. This PC case has an open airflow design and supports extensive liquid cooling for running your PC cool even under extreme load. There's plenty of space inside to fit anything you can think of, starting with an eATX motherboard, 440mm GPU, and others. Lastly, the I/O panel located at the top gives you fast and efficient connectivity. Don't mistake this piece of furniture for your regular monitor because it's a real PC case. Unlike traditional chassis with cramped spaces, its removable system tray makes installing a high-end ITX system a breeze. There's room for multiple stored drives and even a high-end graphics card. System heat is also intelligently managed so your system can run at full potential. With this PC case, everything can be organized directly above or under to free up additional disk space for your valuable accessories. Here's another modded PC case that's truly unique. The entire thing looks like a Kraber from Apex Legends with some tweaks here and there. Of course, the case is backed up by cool RGB lighting, but you're probably wondering what's inside. Well, here's a 12th Gen Core i9 processor, ROG Strix Z690 ATX motherboard, 64GB of RAM, and GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card. The guy who made this PC probably has the highest KD. Who needs a PC case when you can have not one but 2 PCs without taking any desk space? This unique PC desk, which also doubles as a PC case, is spacious enough to house 2 huge eATX motherboards. Moreover, it's also equipped with removable motherboard trays to make the mounting task easy peasy. There's tons of space to accommodate massive graphics card and tall CPU coolers. But that aside, it has plenty of room for an enormous liquid cooling system so that your system can run at peak performance. And finally, you can boldly display the internal components at their full glory through its tempered glass. So that was all about the most unique PC cases that will blow your mind. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.